On Tuesday morning, a freezing cold morning behind a cold front with widespread frost over the central and western parts of the country. Minimum temperatures dropping well below 0 degrees Celsius with -8 on Tuesday morning in Sutherland, there's your forecast. On Tuesday morning, we are expecting a few foggy patches in the northern and the western Cape, but then a freezing cold morning over the western and central interior, where widespread and dangerous frost is possible, so please be careful and take the necessary precautions. Later, we are expecting a mostly dry day across the country. Only a few isolated light showers still possible around the southern and the eastern coast, as well as the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior, and a few drops of light rain possible around the eastern escarpment in the Limpopo and Mpumalanga. In these areas, we are expecting an average to poor PV harvest due to the partly cloudy to cloudy skies, but an excellent PV harvest over the western and central parts of the country. Westerly to southwesterly winds still blowing strong behind that cold front around the southern and the eastern coast, where we still have warnings in place for damaging winds and waves, so please be careful. Later, a fresh southerly wind picking up in the low veld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and strong southerly winds still blowing around the coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. In the Western Cape, a cold morning at first over the interior with frost in places, 0 in the morning in Laingsburg, later partly cloudy to cloudy skies and a few isolated light showers still possible, but remaining quite cool to cold, maximum temperatures only around 15 degrees Celsius. Light showers also possible around the Garden Route and Nelson Mandela Bay, a freezing cold morning in parts of the Karoo, 0 in the morning in Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West. Also freezing cold over the northern part of the Eastern Cape, -2 in the morning in Aliwal North, later remaining cool to cold and a bit windy at times, 13 in the afternoon in Kuwa, 18 in Port St. John's. In KwaZulu-Natal, a cold morning at first over the interior, later partly cloudy skies, isolated light showers still possible, a bit windy over the coastal areas and temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius. A cold morning at first over the high veld, later sunny skies expected, but remaining quite cool, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius. Windy in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, temperatures in the mid-20s. Sunny skies expected in the Bushveld and temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, 27 in the afternoon in Thabazimbi, 29 in Lephalale, and a bit windy at times. In Northwest, we are expecting a freezing cold morning, minimum temperatures dropping below 0 degrees Celsius, later remaining quite cool, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, sunny skies and a bit windy at times. In the Northern Cape, a freezing cold morning expected over the southern parts of the province, -8 in the morning in Sutherland. Widespread frost is possible, so please be careful. Later a sunny afternoon, but remaining cool to cold, only 14 in the afternoon in Sutherland, 21 in Uppington. In the Free State, of freezing cold morning as well, -2 in Bloemfontein and Forest Smith. Later we are expecting sunny skies, but remaining quite cool to cold, only 17 in the afternoon in Bloemfontein. In Gauteng, we are expecting a freezing cold morning as well, 0 in the morning in Vereniging. Windy conditions at first in the morning, later the wind calming down a bit, but remaining quite cool, 22 in the afternoon in Pretoria. Then on Wednesday, we're still expecting light showers over the eastern part of the country, where it will remain quite cool, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, but warming up over the western part of the country, 22 in the afternoon in Cape Town, 29 in Vredendal. Then on Thursday, we're expecting hot conditions over the western parts of the country, 38 in the afternoon in Vredendal, 28 in Cape Town, remaining quite cool over the eastern part of the country, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius with light showers. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Tuesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.